Hey YouTube, this is part 2 of an ongoing episode. If you didn't watch part 1, it's titled Truly Amazing Customers. Be sure and go back and check it out where I do the pre-walkthrough and a little pre-spotting. What you're seeing me do here is the next step, which is to apply an even coat of the pre-spray. That pre-spray is an encapsulation solution which will dry down to a crystal if it was left on the carpet and adhere to any soils so that it breaks apart and is removed with a vacuum or next vacuum. But I'm going to pre-agitate or pre-shampoo with a scouring pad. You'll see me do that here as soon as I get a nice even coat down. That scouring pad will distribute the solution evenly throughout all the fibers, deeper down on this type of medium pile carpet. And it's not doing the cleaning step. A lot of people sometimes get confused with that. It does clean, and the pad does absorb. It's a synthetic pad, mainly for scrubbing. I will show you the pad when I'm done. You can take a look. It will absorb some of the soil, but the following step in the next episode will be, part 3, where I come back through with the Polar Pad, which is a special super absorbent pad, and it will absorb out all of the pre-shampooed suspended soil. I did speed this up a little bit, and that shaking, or the way it looks like a jackhammer almost, is simply because the handle is removable on this swirly machine. There's a clip and a pin that goes in the bottom down there, and it does have the pin and the space between the arm. With a pad like this, you're going to get a lot of friction. You'll get a little bit of bounce. I am going to put a rubber grommet in between that will solve the problem there. But if you've already got a swirly, you know what I'm talking about. No big deal though. It is doing a fantastic job. And it's actually, with that little bit of shaking action, it's kind of tamping. It's not only scrubbing in a rotary motion, it's actually kind of pounding a little bit. So that's awesome. A little bit of additional cleaning. You'll see as I work through this that it is getting up a lot of and loosening up a lot of those areas where the main traffic areas are, like right through here. I think the bed was over here towards the left side of your screen in the middle. And then so I'm not looking to get every nook and corner with the scrubbing pad. I'm looking just to get the areas that I can visually see need to be pre-scrubbed. Not every job requires pre-agitation or pre-shampoo, but this step I think is important, especially here on this light colored carpet. Oh, what is that? Starbucks? Looks like a caramel mocha frappuccino. All right, so that's the pre-agitation. Remember, it's not the cleaning, it is pre-shampoo. So the soil is suspended within the solution, ready for extraction with the extraction pad. That'll be my next step in my next episode. So be sure and tune in for part 3. And again, this is going to be, probably a 4-part video, I think. There's the swirly, awesome machine available through the ncapstore.com. Look at this pad. It does absorb some of the soils. Again, watch me extract in the next episode. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate all my subscribers and followers. I'll see you in episode 3.